So I don't know about you, but a lot of times, as a manager or a mentor or coach, you get asked to go in and evaluate employees. And if you are asked to do that, you kind of have to figure out a way to level set and get an initial read on those employees so that you can coach them into where you need them to be for your organization. I've developed something called the Turner Matrix. Yes, it's named after me. That is designed to help you get an initial level of where an employee is. And I'll share it with you right now with the overhead camera. Let's take a look. Now, as you can see, I'll move this in a little bit closer so you can get a better read on it. But as you can see, it's divided into four different quadrants. On the right-hand side is a high-functioning adult, somebody who shows up on time for meetings, has their act together, hits their budgets, all that sort of stuff. On the left-hand side is a low-functioning adult. This is somebody who misses their budget targets, misses their timelines, misses things all the time. At the bottom is low ambition, people who don't have a lot of ambition to rise through the ranks. The top is a high ambition person, somebody who has a lot of ambition. In the bottom right-hand quadrant, we're going to start with low ambition, high functioning adult. I call them a rock. A rock is somebody who's foundationally strong, really good at what they do. They may not want to be CEO someday, and that's fine. Not everybody wants to be, but they are really good, strong performing employees because they're high functioning adults. In the upper right-hand quadrant, what we have is high ambition combined with high functioning adult. These are your stars. People who have a lot of ambition, a lot of drive, are going to work very hard to reach the pinnacle of their career. Upper left-hand quadrant is work in progress. This is a low functioning adult, but high ambition, somebody who wants to succeed, but really hasn't been mentored, coached, or trained in order to succeed. I go around the globe teaching organizations how to get the best from their employees. And these are the kinds that are the most fun to work with because they have high ambition and want to get over to maybe this category over here where they're a high functioning adult. They just need a roadmap on how to do it. And that's what the unspoken rules of leadership, what I teach, is designed to do. Bottom left-hand quadrant is a tornado, somebody who's a low functioning adult along with low ambition. These are people who cause chaos and trouble in an organization. A lot of times I recommend people just get rid of those employees and work with the other batch because it's a much easier thing to do. Hopefully that matrix is helpful to you. I know I go around trying to teach people how to get the most from others. And a lot of times, if you can just level set and figure out, hey, where is this employee coming in at? It can help you an awful lot. If you like this stuff, feel free to download the ebook in the link or click here for a video that's been selected just for you. My name's Jamie Turner. These are the unspoken rules of leadership.